Hey everybody, it's Joey back here from Dragonfly Detailing Co. and Dragonfly Detailing FLA. We just wanted to bring you a quick video that Mark and I shot yesterday to show off what we did to this 2020 Volkswagen Jetta that really needed some help. According to the owner, she hasn't washed it since she got it in 2020, and unfortunately, it shows. The car was just really filthy, a lot of contamination on the paint, a lot of junk on there. So we went through our normal process to try and decon it and get that shine back. So before we even started, we used Chemical Guy's Iron Decon and we sprayed down the whole car and removed all the ferrous contaminants that we could on the paint to start with. After that, we used Chemical Guy's Clean Slate Wash to foam down the car to give it its first initial washing. Using that same foam, we tested out 6 synthetic clays that are going to be featured in a future video. We clayed down the entire car. Once we were done claying down the entire car, we rinsed it off again, and we gave it its touch wash using the Vice Collection's citrus lather. Now, that soap has a wonderful scent, has great lubricity. I mean, it's a soap that I will definitely use again. It being the first time I've used it, I will definitely use it again. I really enjoyed it. Here you're going to see me using P&S Brake Buster straight up on the rims and tires. I believe we have a previous video that I'll link to down in the description where we had the wheel battle using Wheelie Clean, P&S, and the Vice Collections fully involved. But in this video here, I'm using P&S to clean the tires and the rims, which is awesome when you can use one product. And that P&S really worked hard. As you can see, a lot of dirt was coming off of those tires. A lot of dirt came off of those rims. So it was a product that we really enjoy using. We'll use again, and we'll probably have another look back at our favorite wheel products again to, put them head to head once more, because we kind of enjoy that. Once we were done with that, and we had already washed the car, like I said, using the citrus lather, we used Phoenix EOD's Titan Ceramic Detailer. Now, this is an SiO2 infused detailer that will give your paint some protection from the elements for quite some time. I believe it's a few months. For a spray detailer, that's actually pretty good. It does have some very nice slick properties that it gives to the paint. Good hydrophobic properties, so water won't stick. And it leaves the car super smooth and very, very shiny. Coming up soon, we're going to have a video of Mark going ahead and wiping down the car with this detailing spray, and it leaves a really nice shine. We'll have another video coming up soon with more in depth with everything, so you can see a little bit more of the process. We'll explain a little bit more of what we're doing. We'll also have our thoughts on the clays that we used. It was a really nice day, so we really enjoyed getting this car done. Here you see us doing the touch wash. Here's Mark with the Phoenix EOD Titan spray. We ended up only using 4 towels to wipe on and buff off this detailer on the whole car, which was amazing. And it just left this shine that was incredible. I mean, as you can see from beginning to end, it was a total transformation for this car. But enough of me talking. I'll let you enjoy, watching us take care of this car. And we'll see you on the next one.